So next is dimensional formula of some physical quantities. So as you know that dimensions are the powers to which fundamental quantities are to be raised to represent that physical quantity. So for example कुछ physical quantities यहाँ पे given हैं जिनके formulas और dimensional formulas के बारे में हम discuss करेंगे. The first is area. So area formula, as you know that length into breadth, and जो dimensional formula है हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है कि जो डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला है हम उसमें तीन बेसिक फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज का यूज करते हैं, दैट इज मास, लेंथ एंड टाइम. सो m रेज टू पावर 0 लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. सो इस ब्रेथ को भी एज ए लेंथ यहाँ पे कंसिडर किया जा सकता है. सो m स्क्वायर एंड t टाइम इज नॉट present here, so t raised to power 0. Also mass is not present here, so m raised to power 0, m0, l2, t raised to power 0. किसकी dimension है? Area. Next, volume. So volume, physical quantity, and formula is area into length. m raised to power 0, L स्क्वायर हमने डायमेंशन एज इट इज जो अभी एरिया के लिए फाइंड की थी इनटू लेंथ. सो L स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय L, L क्यूब m रेज टू पावर 0, L क्यूब t रेज टू पावर 0. नेक्स्ट so next is force. Force, and the formula of force is mass into acceleration. So mass m l t minus 2 acceleration, as you find the dimensional formula of acceleration earlier, l t minus 2. So here the complete formula for force is m l t minus 2. Next is impulse, and impulse formula is force into time, m l t minus 1. Next is work. Work, force into distance. So force is ml t minus 2 into distance. Mean distance is taken as a length. So ml2 t minus 2. Next is potential energy, mgh, and in the mass, g acceleration into gravity, h is the height taken as a length. L2, because you know that the formula of acceleration is Lt minus 2. Lt minus 2, one length is more added, L2 t minus 2 into mass, ml2 t minus 2. Next is kinetic energy, half mv square. It is a dimensionless quantity, mv square, m into v square, l square t raised to power minus 2, because you know that v is velocity and it is lt minus 1, so square is here, so ml2 t minus 2. So next is torque. So torque formula is force into length, and dimensional formula is ml2 t minus 2. Next is pressure. Pressure, and formula of pressure is force upon area, force per unit area, and dimensional formula is ml minus 1 t minus 2. इसी तरह जो stress है, stress का formula force upon area, ml minus 1 t minus 2, dimensional इसका formula है. Strain, so याद रखेंगे strain is a dimensionless, so m0 l0 t raised to power 0. Next is modulus of elasticity. So modulus of elasticity, stress upon strain, stress upon strain. So stress का formula अभी हमने find out किया यहाँ पे, force upon area, that is m raised to power minus 1 t raised to power minus 2. So upon strain है dimensionless, so same m raised to power 1 or m l minus 1 t minus 2 is the dimensional formula of modulus of elasticity. So note down please. So next is angle, and formula for angle is arc upon radius. Arc upon radius. m0 l0 t raised to power 0. So which is dimensionless. क्या होगा? Dimensionless होगा. Next is power. Work upon time. Formula is work upon time. So m l2 t raised to power minus 3. Next is surface tension. So formula for surface tension is force upon length m l0 t raised to power minus 2. Next is surface energy. Energy upon area m l0 t raised to power minus 2. Next is angular speed. Angle upon time m raised to power 0 l raised to power 0 t raised to power minus 1. So next is velocity gradient. Velocity gradient, and formula for velocity gradient is velocity upon distance, and dimensional formula is m0 l raised to power 0 t raised to power minus 1. Next, angular momentum. Angular momentum formula is linear momentum into distance ml2 t raised to power minus 1. Next, Planck's constant, and formula is energy into time ml2 t minus 1. Next is frequency, reciprocal of time period 1 upon time. इसको लिख सकते हैं. So m raised to power 0 l raised to power 0 t raised to power minus 1. Next is temperature. So temperature theta m raised to power 0 l raised to power 0 t raised to power 0 and k raised to power 1. So kindly note down please.